One wrong color and an airline loses millions. This is a commercial airplane. Airlines could paint it any color on Earth. Almost none of them do. Because the color isn't a design choice, it's a financial decision. And getting it wrong can be very expensive. Here's problem number one: heat. At cruising altitude, solar radiation is brutal. White reflects it. Any other color absorbs it and bakes the cabin. Problem number two: weight. Darker colors need more paint layers. More paint means more weight, and more weight burns more fuel on every single flight for its lifetime. Problem number three, and this one's about safety. Cracks, dents, oil leaks. On white, mechanics can almost catch them immediately. On dark paint, damage can hide in plain sight. Problem number four, birds. A white fuselage stands out against the sky. Studies show that darker planes are harder for birds to see coming, and they get hit by them more often. So the next time you board a plane, remember,